Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you are following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there. Couldn't crack CLAT and I'm sad. Guys, welcome to episode number 7 of Unplugged Talks with Logiri where you and I have a conversation. Today it's about CLAT. From the day the result of CLAT is out, you guys have been messaging me constantly and telling me that this is our score, where we get, and a lot many of you got admission while a lot many couldn't make it to the top-notch institutes or any NLU for that matter. And you have been so sad. It's not only you, let me be real. There are people who have done their law, or people who are doing law from not an NLU, but they're carrying this scar with them. Why? Why? Is it over or is it just the beginning? Guys, it is just the beginning. Just because you couldn't crack CLAT and get into an NLU, it doesn't mean that a chapter is over. Before I could do this video, before I could sit down with you guys and have a conversation, I wanted to find out how are 3-year law institutes doing? How are other institutes who have 5-year law courses and are not NLUs doing? That's why I did 2 videos wherein I talked in detail about the placements, about everything, about the fees, so that I could sit with you guys and tell you that guys, life is not over. If you think it is over, you're wrong. Instead, what you really need to do is just analyze, just think what went wrong, what things went wrong. Was there a problem with your preparation? Was there any problem that was there at the personal level? Was there a problem with a particular subject? What was it? Were you not able to balance your boards and CLAT preparation? What was it? And once you've analyzed, once you know what was there, the thing that went wrong, just promise yourself that from next time onwards, this is not going to happen. The next time I have to appear for any test, might be you're not taking a drop, and that's good. You don't really need to take a drop to have a good career, to have that awesome successful career as an advocate, as a lawyer, right? Please understand that drop is not the only option. अगर आप एक इंस्टीट्यूट में एडमिशन ले रहे हो which is not an NLU, it is completely fine. It is completely fine. Just analyze, sit down, analyze what went wrong, and promise yourself that from next time onwards, whichever exam might you sit for, be it your college exam, be it for any other competitive exam, you are not going to repeat that mistake. That's it. Just learn from your mistakes and move on. That is what you need to do. You don't need to carry this scar of not making to an NLU for your entire lives. I meet students who say, oh, can we do this? I'm not from an NLU. Then what? You are in a law school and that is what you wanted, right? Whichever law school you are in, now your future, your career, your success is in your hands. I've been talking again and again how to be a successful lawyer even if it is not an NLU, and come on, let's accept it that yes, you can be a successful lawyer, you can be a successful advocate if you are not in an NLU. Hey guys, if you couldn't make it to CLAT, this video is meant for you. Don't you feel that you are a loser or you failed? Please don't carry that loser tag with you. No, you're not a loser. Please don't carry that scar with you of not making it to an NLU. Oh my warrior, I know you tried your best but it didn't turn out in your favor. It doesn't mean that you are any less. If you are passionate about being a lawyer, being an advocate, be it any law school, if you're enthusiastic about this subject, you're going to be successful. You're going to achieve those heights. Just make sure that you once and for all sit down and analyze by talking to yourself that what mistakes did you commit while preparing for this exam. You know that, my child, that what mistakes you made. Just sit down and tell yourself those mistakes clearly so that in future you never commit them again. Don't go in depression. Instead, think about what next. And if have a law school which is not an NLU but you are taking admission in it, it's fine. Just go through the video which I have done, that what a law student should do to have a good CV, to get a job. Make sure that you curate a to-do list after watching that video, because you are a passionate wannabe lawyer and you have to plan your next 5 years right now. If you plan them well, believe you me, you will have a great future. but please promise me that you won't be sad or go into depression thinking, why me, why? Just leave it. It is said, when God closes one door, millions others are opened, and you, being a Logarian, know how to kick and open doors for yourself. When your plan doesn't work, it is a hint by the Almighty that there is a much better plan waiting for you, my lovely kids. So you don't need to be sad. You have to see that what you can do to have a better future. That is what is the need of the hour. Don't be sad. No, no, no. You just have to plan your next 5 years, your coming years, your life very nicely, and you won't be carrying this scar, this wound of not making it to an NLU. Promise me in the comment section below. Write, promise you we won't carry this scar. कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना, ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।